Alright guys, welcome to the video. In this video, we are learning about Amazon Web Services. In the Amazon Web Services, we have a lot of stuff. We have learned a lot. We learned how to set up CLI. We learned about S3 objects. We learned about DynamoDB, and now it's time to learn the most popular thing, that is Lambda functions in Amazon Web Services. So what are Lambda functions? Lambda functions helps you to automate tasks. It can be written in JavaScript, Node.js and Python. Now why you should prefer Python? Because Python is open source and it's known for its libraries. So we have a lot of libraries in Python which supports a lot of cool functionalities. So that's why we use the Python for Lambda function. So I will be walking you through the steps that you need to do. So this is essentially the part one, how you write Lambda functions using Python. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to go to the Lambda, right, on the Amazon Web Services. So once you go to the Lambda, I already have a certain Lambda function. Let me show you what this Lambda function does, and we will create our first hello world Lambda function. So this is a little complicated Lambda function. Basically it sends an SMS, right, through Twilio SMS services. So if I just do a test right now, let me also show my phone to you. Might be not visible, but let me see. Right now I do not have any SMS. So the moment I press the test button, test. So here you can see executing functions, and it takes about 2 to 3 seconds. So here you can see executed complete, and I have received an SMS. If this is visible. So here you can see, since I have received SMS, so this everything is written in Lambda function. So whenever an EC2 instance is taken down or something happens wrong, you get an SMS notification with this. So this is nothing but an example of Lambda functions in AWS. So let's create a very first Lambda function, right? So we will go to the Lambda function. We want to hit this button known as create Lambda function. The function name you can pretty much give anything. I will give hello world. For the runtime, I would be selecting the Python 3.6. You are free to choose any of the language that you are comfortable with. I will be doing this with Python. You want to do a create function, right? And just make sure author from scratch. So you want to create it from scratch. We don't want to use blueprints. Blueprints are essentially the templates, predefined templates, right? So we don't want to use that. Alright, so our Lambda function is loading right now. So this is our very basic Lambda function, and I will be walking you through what everything does. So let me just change this first of all. It's pretty complicated for first example. So hello from Lambda function, simple. Now guys, remember one thing, the file name is Lambda function. So here the first thing has to be Lambda function, and then it has to be a dot, and whatever the function name is there, then you give that function name here. So if it was XYZ, here it will be XYZ. Very important, a lot of people get confused here. Even I got confused here for a lot of time. So this is what it is. Now to run this Lambda function, what you can do is simply do a save button. Right now we need to write a test function. So let's write a test function. So the event name, I'm just gonna write test, and we'll remove all of that. This is essentially just my test function. You can leave it blank also, or the same as it is. So that's done. Now what we want to do is hit the test button. So the Lambda function was run successfully. Here you can see hello from the Lambda function. So this function returned this value. So we got hello from the Lambda function, and we have all the information on the screen. Here you can see, right? Remember guys, this event is nothing but a JSON, right? So we can iterate through that as well. So event, and I can say simply the name from that. So because I gave name, remember, since it's a JSON. So So let's see if we get the name now. and I'll say hello. I use string formatting. And let's define a name here. And all right, this should work fine. Let's save it. Let's test the function. Let's see what do we get. So hello Sawmill from the Lambda function. So we were able to get the take out the JSON data from that, and here you can see the response. So that is pretty much it, the first tutorial. Then we would be writing very complicated Lambda functions to automate all of these tasks. So that's it for this video. We would be also learning how to import packages like request and a lot of stuff like that into AWS. Since you cannot directly like do import, we have to do some stuff that I'll be teaching you in the next video. So stay connected. Happy learning Python. Thank you for watching.